Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay. Enjoy guys, share the family, and I'd like to say thank you so much for my supporters. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back to support me. Appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be doing this pretty hairstyle. This hairstyle you can do for Valentine's Day if you want to, because it's super cute, sweet, and have plenty sparkle, which is gonna make you the star of the night. The little sparkles on the hair, I actually got them from Irresistible Me. This is the little tool here that you put the sparkle stuff here, and then you just snap them on your hair, and it's super easy, super cute to use. I love it. This is the second time I used, and I'm enjoying it a lot. So I'm gonna have the link down below for Irresistible Me for the hair sparkle little tool, and for my hair extension that is taping hair extension. This one is the dark blonde and light brown, and this one is 24 inches, super long. So Irresistible Me is having up to 60% off Valentine's Day sale this month. So if you're looking for a stock up, or if you're looking to get a new taping hair extension or new clipping, new ponytails or hair tools, whatever is that you need or you're looking for, go there and save a ton of money. Alright, you're welcome. And also for you, if you guys and you girls wear taping hair extension, clipping, ponytail or hair tools, get her one for Valentine's Day and she's gonna thank you later. Exactly. Alright, so you guys let me know if you guys like this hair look and if you would love it to try it. So I'm gonna have the link down below for everything, for the sale, for the discount code and everything. So now we're gonna jump into this look. Alright guys, so if you don't know, if you're new here, you don't know me, so my taping hair extension is from Irresistible Me. They are 100% human hair. They are 24 inch, this one, and the color is dark blonde and light brown. Today's hair look, I'm going to create a quick Valentine's Day hair look for you guys, and we're going to be using these little just irresistible hair sparkles. This is a little DIY load snap bling. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a little tool that you load with your bling, and then you just go and snap, and you can add a couple of blings to your hair and look pretty. Right, so the hair is parted on the middle, so now I'm just going to separate a little bit of the hair. So you wanna be right on your ear part, so this should be enough for our hair piece that we're going to need for this hairstyle. Okay, so now that we have this piece here, we're gonna do the same thing on another side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these two pieces of hair under my hair and tie back there. So first, before we do that, since this is going to be secure in the back, it's not going to be possible for us to add the crystal, so I'm going to do this now before we started. That's how this works. There we have our first crystal. Now I'm gonna try to do the same thing on another side. Alright, so I'm gonna finish putting all the crystals on this side so don't get so long, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I add a couple of them on the top here. So now we're gonna go to tie the hair in the back of the head, and then after that I will add a couple of more little stone if I need to. So I'm just add a little bit of leave-in condition. So I'm gonna do this. So that's how we want it. So now I can let the rest of the hair down. Now we're gonna carefully brush through. That's the final results. So if you want, you can add a little bit more of sparkle. So, and this is the final look. So, but you can add the little stone for in all of the hair. I just want on the top part. Alright, so you guys let me know. This is super easy. If you guys see, I just add the little stones and tie the hair in the back, and that is the final. So you let me know in the comment below if you like this look, and if you have any question. And I'm going to have the link for Irresistible Me for the little accessory tool that you can add the little stones to your hair, for the hair extension, and for the sales that they have going on now. I think for the 60% off. I'm gonna link in the comment below for link for the hair extension and the code, everything that you guys need, the dates for the sales. And you guys let me know if you like this hairstyle with me. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Love you. Bye.